How to install Microsoft Office on Chromebook. This includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and as well as Microsoft Word. And what you want to do from your Chromebook is just access your Google Chrome browser. And once you have accessed it, just simply look for Office. Just search for Office on your search box. And then you'll be given a bunch or a lot of results right here. And then just simply choose on Office 365 logged in. Now simply click on that and you will be redirected to Microsoft Office login page. All you just have to do is just to log in without any problems, and then as you can see, once you have fully logged in, you can now then access Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and as well as Outlook. Now if you would like to download this to your desktop, just simply click on install apps and you should be able to use it as a software on your Chromebook. And that's it. That's how you install Microsoft Office on a Chromebook.